So here we are about to set a certificate in an event. So firstly I would like to select the certificate option in MakeMyPass, and here we have an option to upload the certificate schema, and over here we can upload the template. I'm uploading the certificate, which is a test certificate that I'm using, and over here I can set up the add layer option. So we can actually drag the each text layers over the certificate, and we can actually set the aligning and everything over here. Also we can set the font size as well. Also the color can be used over here. We can use the color picker to choose the color, and we can adjust the font weights and also the max width as well, and also the maximum line as well. So I'm just setting the line as 1, and that's it for now, and I'm just selecting the save button. So currently the certificate is already enabled, and once we have set the certificate over here, we can check out the guests. So over here when I check the guests, we can see that there is an option came which is view certificate. So once I click over there, I can see that the certificate is already generated for the participant. So currently it's everything is having the option to view the certificate. So if you need to set up a condition for each certificate, you have the option to set the visibility condition over here. So generate only when the condition met, we need to enable this particular option, and when checked in option equals yes. So when the user is actually checked in, it will be only available to those who are actually checked in. So I'm just saving the option over here, and when I check the same person now, the icon is over here. So when we click it, the certificate is unavailable. But we have one person over here who is already checked in. You can see that the tick mark indicates the checked in. When I click the certificate option, we can see that the certificate is generated. So we can set the condition over there. So the next question is how we can send out the certificates to these people who have registered to the event. So what we have to do is, like, we need to set the after event thank you mail over here. We have an option in MakeMyPass that there is something called after event thank you, which is a template name, which is we are planned to send after an event. So this particular email will be sent to those who actually checked in at the event. And we have another option after event sorry, which is an email template which is sent to those who haven't checked in as well. So when you click over here, we can change the details over here, the template over here, the same over the after event sorry as well. So once and how these mails can be shared, I can say that there is a tab called post event over here. So there is participant and non-participant. So once we click and click the confirm button, so the people who are already checked in, so over here this person is actually getting the particular email, the after event thank you, and when we click the non-participant and confirm the particular email, the non-participants, which means those who are not checked in, will be getting the email. So for now I'm just enabling checking in the particular person now. Yeah, so when we refresh the page, yeah, this person is currently checked in. So the certificate will be visible for the person as well. Yeah, so I need to send. There is two options. Either we can actually embed the certificate URL in the after event thank you email by coming over here, and I can just edit it, certificate URL, and there will be an option, yeah, this the certificate page URL. So over here we are adding the variable over here. So when I update, this particular email will be sent along with the certificate page URL, and what I need to do is like click the participant and send the confirmation. So the emails are being sent, and we can see over here in the logs, you can see that the time is 11:02 right now, and the email has been sent. Yeah, the email has been sent with the certificate URL. So let us open this. Sorry, let us open the particular certificate. I'm just copying this. So yeah, now it's actually shared with the person. So this is how it actually works. And yeah, and another option you can choose is like you can actually create a new email template. For example, click the communication and hit the template option and create template option over here, certificate dispatch email. I'm just naming the template and click the create template option, and you can create the email template from scratch. For example, we can just remove all this, and I'm just changing it to certificate URL, and I'm choosing the certificate page URL. I'm just changing this to certificate for event title. Okay, so this is, you can change the subject over here. Yeah, event ABC. I'm just keeping it as that. So when we come back to the communication tab, you can see the template is already here, and what you have to do is like go to overview, create a schedule, just give the schedule name certificate dispatch, and select the template. You can choose the registered user and add the condition as check-in equals CS, and schedule a date or time. Like for example, I'm just setting this as 11/6 and create schedule. So we can see that the certificate is already ready to dispatch right now.